pop down onto the touring field. Is it Karen and Pete? I'm over there, set up. I've just gone to the loo. But I thought these was quite nice. Safari tents. And these you can hire. I don't want to go in them just in case somebody's in them. No cars at the side, but it wouldn't be very nice me popping in. I don't know whether I'd just be able to get a quick view through this one. Looks like you got a toaster and kettle and the sink and that looks okay, doesn't it? Couple of bedrooms. Oh. There's one camping site. There's another one over there, touring pitches.
I was thinking.
And these are the toilets and showers. Touring facilities. Sorry? No, I couldn't see anybody. Morning, Max.
They're okay in there?
Sorry? Yeah, them okay. Them pretty basic, but you know, probably a bit better than bringing your own tent.
Yeah.
A bit more spacious.
I suppose it's going to be windy and rainy and whatever.
Oh,
No.
with them being proper canvas, you're even protected from that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They've got to be strong enough to withstand a good storm.
First time I've ever seen this amount. I've seen one or two.
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm good in there.
Yeah.
Ideal if you got the kids in there. You know what I mean? A bit more adventurous.
Have you been in the tent yet? Or?
Yeah, I've done that.
Oh, yeah.
I've done that. Yeah.
What time will you get up here?